Ever wonder what 10 wheelbarrowfuls of rabbit manure look like? Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry, and you might notice that our front yard right now looks like a garbage heap. Well, we just dug out the hutches, which is one of our biggest chores of the year. We got 10 wheelbarrowfuls of rabbit manure that's going to go in the garden. It's in the dirt pile now. Rabbit manure is probably one of the best things you can put on a garden. It's a cold manure, so it won't burn your plants, and the rabbits produce a lot of it. So last year we bought 6 yards of topsoil, which we mixed with rabbit manure to put in our raised beds. We still had quite a bit of dirt left over, so just left it in a big pile in the driveway, and we just added the rabbit manure from the hutches to that, mix it up once the snow melts, and hopefully the darker color of the manure will make the snow melt quicker in this area, and we'll be able to put in even more beds this year. Thanks for watching this Homestead update. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out our farm store in the description.